Hello everybody, this is a quick demo for Carpooling Odoo app, which is an app that can be installed on the Odoo platform. So first of all, we assume that the app has been already installed on the platform, and because of that, I have the app here. All right. So here I have one trip as a driver, but I wanted to add another trip. Okay. So the trip could be, for example, on 17. Source could be Ghent to Central, for example, to Antwerp or Liège Central. Okay, I hope Liège has the Central. And the available seat is 2, and the status right now is in the available status. I can say, for example, this is a round trip, and then I have to choose the return date and time. So now we have no passenger. I can also here add some comments, for example, no smoking. We have already this comment, and also friendly. Okay, so these are the comments. Driver comment could be anything. So no comment, for example. Nice. So I have two other users here, and if we update the user, for example, this is me. So this user see Ghent Central to Liège. So this user can also book this trip. As you can see, there is no information related to the passengers or actually the list of passengers or the passenger comments. But here, once we book it, and by this user, Michelle, we accept the offer. So the user Nima will be able to see the comments or add the comments. Okay, so I accept this, and Nima here can see, for example, in his profile here, my book trip as a passenger, the status. So now the status is accepted, and the trip from Ghent to Liège has only one available seat because we already accepted one book request. Okay, so now user here, Nemo user, once he sees here, he sees the booking status is accepted, and now we can add some comment. Okay, it will be a good trip and 5-star, for example. And the comments only added when the status is available or departure. Yes, only available or departed. For the cancelled trips or for cancelled trips we cannot, or and unavailable trips we cannot add any kind of comments. But in other states we can. So we have one comment here, and I have another user here. This user is Mark, and suppose Mark also wanted to book one trip. So the trip is again this one, and here again Michelle, for example, sees the new passenger, which is Mark, and again accept it. So the available seat right now is 0, and that's it. Again, Mark will be able to see the status, and here even Michelle, if we go to the Michelle profile, and here my trip as a driver, Michelle can see all the trips where he is the driver of those trips. So like, for example, Ghent to Liège, Antwerp, which is departed, and this one on all other informations. So for example, here again for Mark, Mark can see his booking status, which is accepted, vehicle information, driver comments, tags, and any other things. Thank you for your attention. That was a demo for Carpooling app.